3159 mile road. Florida 59, my number.
Go ahead.
Romeo 263. Nah.
4911. I loaded a 1050 on the screen. Same location as last motorcycle, no 1028. Hello there.
4910 your last.
I loaded a 1050 on the screen, same location as last. Motorcycle with no 1028. That's fine. Hey, I'm Deputy Rec with the Sheriff's Office, Farmer County. I'm Deputy Rec with the Sheriff's Office. Stopping because you don't have a tag. You got your license with you?
So I do have a tag. I like about a month ago, and it's been giving me issues.
Okay. You have a motorcycle endorsement?
What do you mean?
Like a license to drive a motorcycle?
No,
right?
I had to have one.
Yes.
I was
Okay.
told,
Step off the bike, okay? Oh, I know I'm good, bro.
Alright.
Step over here. Hands on your back. Hey, just relax, okay? Hey, stop telling me I'm good, because I know I'm good. You're the one that's committing criminal traffic offenses, okay?
Yes, sir.
All right. You ever been arrested before?
No, sir.
Okay.
Whenever I was younger.
Yeah? Okay.
I have not been charged as an adult.
All right. 49 Live Oak Whiskey, Mike DePayne. You got anything in your pockets?
No, sir.
Okay. Is the bike registered?
It is registered. I have a tag for it.
Okay. All right.
That's why I didn't know.
Okay.
Because whenever I registered it, they didn't tell me that I had to have a motorcycle.
Well, why does someone need to tell you to do that? I mean, it's common knowledge
the dude that I bought the bike from told me that I could get on it and ride it home.
You can't just trust everybody what they say, okay?
You're right.
You got change there, or what else you got?
I got some change and I got some money.
All right, well, you're not under arrest this time. You're just being detained, okay? Take a seat right there.
Okay.
You got anything in your belt loop or anything like that?
No.
Okay.
I really didn't know, dude.
I understand.
The bike from,
Listen, ignorance of the law is no excuse.
No, you're right. You're right.
We'll see if we can get you out of here without going to jail, but I got to run your history and see what's going on, okay?
Yeah, you're good.
All right.
I'm sorry, man. I'm sorry.
All right. 49, you call?
3159, 11 to 3159.
3158.
Language, but it's like, you know, trust me, dude, I know I'm good. What's that? It's a what thing? Yeah, kind of. I mean, I'm not demanding respect from you. It's just, it comes across as very, like, you know, it might, yeah. I understand. It's just part of your language. I'm not taking offense to it, but I get, you can say it. It's fine. Just be aware of what some of your language might come across, especially when you first meet somebody in this sort of situation, you know.
I'm on my way to Lake City.
Okay.
I'm going to stop at Lake City.
Well, the thing is, you have to take a class. It's gonna take you a little. You have to schedule it and all this kind of stuff. So, okay. All right. Well, let's cross that bridge when we get to it, one thing at a time. Okay. Where is the bike bought from?
I bought it from
From where? Where's that at? In Florida? Walaka, Florida? Okay, it's in Florida though, right? Alright, so you're James Morgan, correct? Okay.
49, you said 58?
58, I think I might have a 1049 here. You have a warrant out for your arrest?
10-4, you want to go to 59?
Hang on. 10-4, I'm adding them right now. Okay. Okay, he's on there. Okay, just
appreciate it.
So you do have a warrant out of Georgia, right? Okay, I'm seeing a warrant right now for you out of Baker County.
Baker County?
Yeah. Yep.
For what?
James Doyle Morgan Jr.
For what?
Baker County Sheriff's Office. $75,000 bond. Yeah, unless it's not you. What's your social? You got some problems, bro.
How can I take care of it? You taking me to jail?
Yeah.
Can you tell me?
Level to 3149, 58,
10-4, 58. He's changed my card. Hey, stop. We're done now. We're done.
I didn't know. I really didn't know, man.
10-4, this will be 1049 out of Baker County reference aggravated assault with deadly weapon, $75,000 bond signed by Judge Phillip. We do have to send a hit.
10-4, send a hit. Let me get a 1070 on a motorcycle and a 1096, please.
For aggravated assault?
That's 10-4, semi.
You can show him 1015. on local charge. No motorcycle endorsement.
I do not know my girlfriend's
All right, man. Gotcha. No. You are under arrest for driving a motorcycle without an endorsement and likely also the warrant out of Baker County. I know it's going to be confirmed just because it's so local and it's such a serious charge.
No, you're fine, man.
Okay. Your bike is your bike. Okay.
That's the only person I have.
Gotcha. Your
I
bike.
have nobody else.
Your bike is going to be towed.
That's fine.
Okay. All right.
I just need her phone number.
Okay. All right. You have a medical marijuana card, I see, right? Okay. All right. Hey, you have the right to remain silent. Anything you say or do can be used against you in court. You have the right to consult with and have present an attorney before.
Lift up my shirt. My
Sign up.
father-in-law's gun is in my waistband.
Okay. Might have been good if you had told me that when I was patting you down. How small is this thing?
It's a Glock. It's a Glock. I'm gonna have to it's right here in front.
Why wouldn't you mention that when I was patting you down?
I forgot about it.
You forgot it. Where is it? Right there? Bro.
Can I just pull the clip?
No, I have to grab it.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay.
Dude, sit in that fucking car.
Man, I'm gonna tell you, you know what I mean?
49 Labo, can you add a note, Mirandized at this time? You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say or do can be used against you in court. You have the right to consult with and have present an attorney before, during, and after questioning. If you decide to answer questions, you can stop at any time. You understand?
Yes, sir.
Okay. That was a pretty fucking stupid move, bro.
I honestly did.
I'm right here and I'm patting you down. That thing is all the way up in your balls. You could have said, hey, man, I got a firearm right there. But would you think I wasn't going to find it eventually?
I really did forget.
Bro, we started off on an okay level.
Can I tell you what happened?
I don't need to know
I found it in.
You found the gun?
He was working on the bike. He
Okay.
put it in the bagger.
Okay.
I found it right before I left the house.
Okay.
I have.
Is it going to come back stolen?
No, it's
Okay.
my father-in-law's gun.
Okay. Does he know you have it?
I was afraid it was going to go off, so I put it in my waistband.
Okay. Does he know you have it?
If he's aware that he left it in the motorcycle, then yes.
Okay. Oh, man. 49 Lava 1065 signal 0. Serial number, please. Charlie, Bravo, Alpha 869 CCB A 869.
Hey, boss man, could I please just get my girlfriend's phone number? Can I just call her?
You're done.
Dude, I don't know it by heart, and that's the only person.
You can get it when you get to jail.
I don't have. Oh, they can open up my phone.
You Danielle?
Yes.
Okay, gotcha. All right, well, let's talk over here in the shade. Right over here would be fine. So, saw your boyfriend driving a motorcycle, just the way he's operating it. I'm like, I'm not sure if he's got a motorcycle endorsement.
Okay.
But that was just my own personal thought. I looked in the rearview mirror, he doesn't have a tag on it. Got to have a tag on the motorcycle.
Okay.
So I conduct a traffic stop here for not having a tag. He also does not have a motorcycle endorsement. This other thing I'm going to mention is minor, but it's still the law.
Yeah.
If you're under 21, you have to wear a helmet on a motorcycle and have insurance. He does not have insurance. He's not wearing a helmet.
They did give him a tag at the courthouse. It's in my other car.
Right. So what I did
and
is
they didn't tell us anything about his license or anything.
Right.
They just gave us the tag, so we thought we would be okay.
Right. So what you got to understand is the world doesn't. How old are you?
I'm 17. I'm about to be 18.
Okay. So you're 17. He's 18.
Yeah.
Y'all are at that age where now consequences start to
Appear.
right? You're right at the borderline. He is 18. Okay. The world doesn't baby you. The world's not going to let you know that you have to do this or let you know. And you're going to see the next thing I tell you is probably going to shock you. And also, the world doesn't let you know. That's going to be more evident here, okay? But we'll get to that in a second. You have to have a motorcycle endorsement, just like when you're 16. You know you have to have a driver's license. You have to take about a $250 class that teaches you how to ride a motorcycle, not only for your safety, but for the safety of everybody else on the road, okay? So that in itself is a criminal offense. Once I've detained him for that, ran his information in the call, he is wanted from Baker County, which is 2 counties over, not Columbia, but the next one, for aggravated assault with a deadly weapon with a $75,000 bond. So in order for him to get out of jail and see daylight, he needs to bond out with probably $7,500.
Can I see my baby?
In a second. All right. The other problem we have, all right, I patted him down, okay? It was all smooth, everything was good. He had a little change in his pocket. I didn't feel a thing. So I put him in the car, he's in handcuffs, everything is safe. I go to talk to him about the warrant and the motorcycle, and I'm reading him his rights.
We didn't even know anything about that.
I get it. But you see the
3158.
pattern of oh, I didn't know. That doesn't suffice.
3158.
Okay. Having a warrant for felony aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. I get it. But you have to understand that you don't just wake up and roll out of bed and have that. Okay? So, as I was saying, once I patted him down, everything was good. He didn't have anything on him, nothing in his pockets. I even asked him. Okay? I go back and talk with him. He goes, oh, by the way, I got a gun in my waistband. So he has a gun with him. I'm going to check if he is a convicted felon or not. He may be, though, based on some juvenile history, and I have to get with the supervisor on if that applies.
3149 at 10-4 Baker County confirmed they will issue on
10-4, 10-15, 10-15. Anything back on his Charlie Hotel for Signal 18? All right. So until we get to that part where you're talking to him, you might want to just hang out in the AC in your car. Okay. All right. Well, just stay in front of my car until I'm ready. You know anybody around here with a trailer or anything?
I gotta call my daddy.
Okay. You want to call him? You want me to speak to him?
It's okay.
Okay. Well, yeah. I'd actually like to speak with him. All right. Baker County did confirm the warrant. Okay.
I need that. He's getting arrested.
Let me talk to them. Okay. Is that your mom?
What's the time?
What's your mom's name?
Melissa.
All right. Just hang out over there. Okay. Hey, Melissa. What's your daughter doing out hanging out with this guy? Yeah. Well, the reason I'm asking is because she's a juvenile. Okay. I would imagine she has no criminal record. Correct. Right. Well, she wasn't hanging out with him at the time. And I don't have kids, so you can take what I say with a grain of salt. But this guy's got a serious criminal history, and he's got a warrant out of Baker County with a $75,000 bond for aggravated assault with a deadly weapon. If I had a 17-year-old daughter, I wouldn't want her dating him.
Yeah, no, I'm recently married to him. I live with him.
So, that's just my 2 cents. No, I understand that. I'm looking out for your daughter because I'm telling you, just in my experience on the road, she keeps spending time with them. She stays with them. She's gonna get herself in trouble.
No,
there's just no way it's not gonna happen.
I'm not. He's a good fucking kid.
I'm not saying he's not, ma'am. I'm just letting you know from my experience on the road, this is what happens. So that's all I wanted to mention to y'all. Okay, I'm just looking out for her. The other thing is he had a firearm on him, and he said it belongs to his father-in-law. Might that be your husband? Okay, can I speak with him about the gun? Okay. Why does an 18-year-old have a gun that really only a 21-year-old can purchase? Okay, does your husband know he has the gun? I mean, you want to report it stolen, or? Okay, he does? All right, just making sure. The reason I ask is I had a sort of a similar case recently. Guy didn't, I think he had a license, but speeding, had cocaine in the car, this and that. He had a firearm on him. His father-in-law called over the next couple of days and was like, not really supposed to have that. So I just wanted to, I don't know your family dynamic and that sort of thing. So I just wanted to make sure. The gun is going to be seized and placed with the sheriff's office. So if he wants to pick it up, I don't think there's going to be a problem there. Unless you have an adult that wants to come meet us and I can turn it over to y'all right now on scene. That would be fine as well. But I don't feel comfortable leaving it with the bike, just, with the tow company and everything. We're on County Road 252 and 31st Road.
Tell her to go down 137 by our house.
She says go down 137 by
Her house.
her house.
You go to the caution on the stop sign, and
Yeah.
they go left.
So you live north of here.
I live on 51st.
Okay. Yeah, just go down to County Road 137 and then make a left and you'll see us towards the Columbia County line. All right.
Check her. Tell her to check my life.
Well, yeah, I can turn the gun over to you as long as you don't have no felony convictions or anything like that. Then we'd be all right.
Tell her to check my life.
Okay.
360 and she can see me. If she.
Right now, I have a tow truck on the way. I understand nobody wants their vehicle to go to the tow yard, but I have a timeline I got to work on. I can't stay out here forever. So.
Okay. I can stay here and wait on my dad. I can stay here.
Okay. Well, your daughter made a good suggestion. She can stay with the bike. And if my supervisor's fine with it, I'm fine with that, and I can cancel the tow truck. But that's not my call. Let me see if I can work that out for you. All right? Okay. All right. That sounds good. All right. Thank you, ma'am. That sounds reasonable. Let me see if I can do that for you. Call Roger Howard. I think she might have hung up. I don't know. Hey, I got a good arrest here. Thing is trying to help them out a little bit. They don't want the bike towed, which of course they don't. And I'm like, well, let me see what I can do for you. The guy who's arrested, the 1015, his girlfriend, she's a juvenile, she's 17. She's like, oh, well, I can stay with the bike until my dad can come and pick it up. I'm like, okay, that sounds reasonable if you want to wait here, but let me run it by the boss. Yeah, she's hysterical. Mm-hmm. All right, no, I'm with you. I just didn't want to, I'm going to try and figure that out. Yeah, that sounds good. Yeah. Oh, probably 30 minutes. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, I already called the tow truck. So, yeah. Okay, sounds good. Thank you. Bye-bye. All right, listen, we're in a bind, okay? I can't, especially because you're a juvenile. Once I leave something with somebody, especially being 17, that's on me if something were to happen. Okay.
But all my dad's gonna do is come pick it up.
No, I understand that, and all of that sounds very reasonable. So, your dad can come pick up the vehicle if he's here before the tow truck is. If the tow truck gets here, I gotta take it. All right? And if dad gets here or mom gets here, I can release the firearm to her. I'll explain to you. We're trying to see if your dad can get here quickly, her dad rather, so I can release the firearm to him, and he can remove the bike, but it just depends. What's that? Yeah, if he gets here before the tow truck, call AJ Skinner. I'm going to call the tow company.
I don't see AJ Skinner in your contacts.
Call AJ Jackson. I'm going to call him and see how close he is.
Calling AJ Jackson.
It doesn't work like that, bro. Well, I can't just, oh, that's here. Yeah. Gotcha. Yeah, I'm going to let you talk to him before we go. All right, so just hang on, because I got a couple things I got to do.
Okay, sorry, what?
Yeah, we got to take it.
They said, couldn't be on the other side.
No, I did tell him, like, same location as last on the traffic stop, but, I mean...
Yeah, she goes, it's in Columbia County, so I almost went down Coonville instead.
No. Yeah, we're right here.
Okay.
He's saying that there's some issue with the gas tank where the gas pours out when you tow it. So he's like, can I get out and help him? I'm like, nah, bro. I will let him explain to you what the issue is.
Who is it?
Just a young kid. He's 19 years old, 18 years old.
It leaks when towing it?
I don't know. I'll let him explain it to you. Come on over here. That's on the other side, and I'll roll down the window, okay? This is Mr. Bassett. You can explain to him the gas tank issue, okay? Hey, accidental dial, sorry. Say again? Yeah, in a little bit. All right, is there anything of value in there that I might have missed? I just saw some tools and screwdrivers and stuff like that. Nothing. Here, you want to call out to her? You can speak with her. I'll let you before we leave, yeah. What are you doing reaching into my police car? What are you doing reaching into my car? Bro, it's not your call. Step away from the vehicle. Step away from the vehicle. Unbelievable. I said you could talk to her. I didn't say you could exchange items out the car, bro.
This thing is working. I broke it down. Trust me, man, I'm not going to do it.
You have a lot of growing up to do, man. Seriously.
Growing up, I had just for people to
Okay. No, bro, they have jail at the property. I'm done making concessions for you. I don't care if you're trying to or not. It matters what the outcome is. No problem. The outcome is you got your girlfriend reaching her hand through the bars on the window. When I said, yeah, you can go there and talk to her, not reach in. What if she's handing you something?
Red lever, when I tell you, push down on it.
Red lever? Ready?
I was trying to cheat a little.
Just making sure, double checking. Still smells like weed in here. Am I missing something? See anything in that pocket there?
It's the parts.
Yeah, parts. There's some change here.
Yeah.
All right, well.
This is the cover, huh?
Yeah, I'll note that on there. Does Dennis's garage have an email address? Do you have an email address? He's got to keep the keys. Yeah, you can get the house key in a second. Ready? Huh? I said, does Dennis's garage have an email address? Does Dennis's garage have an email address? Ready? No, we're done, dude. We are done. We're done. We're done. We're done. Right, we're done. Yeah, because I don't want to. I'm done. We are done. We are done. We're done. We're done. Stop. We're done. You're pushing, 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 pushing. Okay. All right. All right. All right. Yep. You'll be able to call her when you have first appearance tomorrow. You can use that as your first phone call. Boy. Unbelievable. Dude, no, you're done. We are done. You are a grown adult and she is not. So stop it right there. She's 17 and you're 18. All right? You don't need to tell her anything. Okay. Okay. Are you married? Okay. But you're not married, right? Okay. Gotcha. All right. Also, I'm also sending this to the Department of Children and Families because you obviously have a sexual intimate relationship with a juvenile. So, yeah. Okay. Yeah. All right. But I just want to be fair and let you know some of the things that might be coming down the... Yeah. Live Oak. Okay. Just add a note. Subject said you would punch me in the neck. He'll have the assault charge as well. You literally just said it right now. Stop.
1040, yeah. 3149 out on the 1050, County Road 252 and 31st Road. He has a male subject 1015 out of an open 1049 of Baker County. Called, advised that he was going to punch him in the neck.
49, is he securing your back seat in your 58?
Yeah, he's just starting to show out because he's mad he got caught.
10-4, you got text looking right.
Right to meet Dennis Garage.
10-4, can you give me ETA, please?
10-4.
Hey, bro, I really don't care. All right. Hey, bro, I've already had my share of situations, so... Alright. So, the last guy who grabbed me by the neck, he's in prison for 5 years, so...
19 to 58, you're not anywhere close to 49, are you? 54. 10-4.
Dude, I don't care, bro. Say again? You sound like you care an awful lot, bro. Is it 2 T's or 1 T? 1 T or 2 T's? Do not approach my car. 1 T or 2 T's? 2 T's. All right.
Does she need anything?
No. He's just starting to show his ass, so I need to get going soon. Well, sounds like a problem to me, doesn't it? Jeez. Man, oh man. Well, if you do, that's great. More power to you.
You want me to give these keys to her?
Yes, sir.
All right, man. Hey, you going to sign for these citations or no? You will? Okay.
Well, 3119. Then we have signal 46, signal 13 Indian Zone 2.
43 hours.
Caller states a group of people were messing with him.
Say again? Yeah. That's on him, man. I didn't talk to him. I talked to her mother. Yep. Well, the gun probably won't be released for a couple months because it's part of a criminal investigation. So, you know, there's that. Yes. You're driving a motorcycle without a motorcycle endorsement, and you have a felony warrant out of Baker County. You just didn't understand that in the last hour.